Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You. And today I'm going to show you how to draw another character from the new Minions Rise of Gru movie. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Nunchuck. So before we get started, please feel free to like and comment and subscribe and all of that good stuff. It really helps out the channel, and I love it when you do. All right, so to start drawing our character here, let's start with the glasses. So they are square-shaped glasses. So we can do a square, and then let's do another square around it for the frame. And then we can do a little line here, and then do another one. Another square for the frame, and then a square inside it. Okay, so from there, let's do the eyes. So we're going to do a little like squat lemon kind of shape, and then put a circle inside, and I'm going to put another circle there, and then one in the middle, and color that one in the middle all dark, and then do a little bit of an eyebrow. And now we can do the same thing over on the other side. We can try our best to match them up, make them look really similar, but it doesn't have to be perfect. We're just drawing, having a bit of fun. Doesn't have to be exactly the same. Mine aren't perfect. Yours don't have to be either. Do a little line coming up here, another little one here, kind of like the top lid, like the eye isn't fully open. Okay, so now let's do a nose. So we got kind of a big nose happening here. Kind of a pointy, almost like a triangle, pointy kind of a shape, but not quite. So it's a pretty big nose. And from there, let's do a little frown. Not a very happy character right now. And let's start here with the forehead. Draw a straight line across. And we can come on down here, kind of come out a little bit on the sides. And then we can come on inward, round it out right here, and come on up. And we can do a little bit of a curve right here. And let's see, top of the head. And that'll follow along this way of the shape of the head we already did. And bring it on down. And we can add some lines here to help show the shape of the fabric, like that. And now we can come on out a little bit this way for some shoulders. And we're going across this way, coming on up again. We can round out this area. Add a few more lines to help show fabric movement. And we can come on down with a line here and on this side too. And we can start an arm right here. And of course our arm is kind of getting cut off here on the side of the page, but that's okay. And let's see. I'm going to draw an arm going this way, but it's going to be kind of bent here, which we're not going to see here. It's off the side of the page, but the arm would be coming up this way. We got a long sleeve. The other part of her arm there. And we would have a hand right here. And we're going to have one nunchuck here. Got a few fingers here. And then the other side of the nunchuck is coming down this way. And curve a little bit right here. And add a little top part to it. And then there would be a bit of like a chain connecting it to the other part of it, which we're not going to see because that part is going to be behind. All right, so we've got our sketch all done, and now I'm going to add some color. All right, everyone, we are finished our drawing. I'm sure y'all noticed when my marker started to run out of ink and I had to switch to a different one. Hopefully that doesn't happen to you guys. But thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have an awesome, wonderful day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!